Hello, good morning everyone. Today I want to tell you about my idol in technology advance. He is Hae Jin. As we know, he contributed in many things in the current advanced technology. He has career in Samsung, also invent search engine like Naver, and also invent instant messengers like Line. To know further about him, let's talk about a bit of his biography. Hae Jin. He is one figure that very influenced in current technology advance. He was born in Seoul on June 22nd, 1967. He is son of the couples Hong Jung-ja and Lee Si-young. It's just a bit biography about him. If you want to know further about him, indeed it's actually difficult to know his complete biography because his biography doesn't exist in Wikipedia or other biographical webs. And then we can talk about the achievement as an inventor, as an engineer. So it can be released by his alma mater. So we can talk about educational background. I don't know about his elementary school till his senior high school era. But that I can find in the browsers is only the university's grade. First, he graduates from Bachelor of Arts and Science in Seoul National University, and second, he graduates from Master of Science in Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. From its school, he has ability to create the ideas to be realized, and for now, it's very utilized for humanities for us to use everything that it's look impossible to be possible, and yeah, it's very useless for us. Yeah, we can talk about his career and experience. As we know, after he graduates, he received the job in Samsung SDS. We know Samsung is the one of the major corporate in Korean, in Asia, and also in the world, who are providing the electrical tools and many features that very interest and very worth for people needed in this era. After that, he only works in Samsung SDS from 1992 till 1999. After that, he established his self-corporate and the name is Navercom till 2002. And he has corporate with the other corporate. The name is Naver or NHN from 2002 till present. But for now, Lee is not the CEO of Naver or NHN because he just be co-founder and like a main commissary in this company. And in 2013, he also established the Line as a usual instant messenger that we as a Asian society usually use it to be communicate each other. After that, we can talk about what is web entrepreneur. It's the question from the Mysterio. What is web entrepreneur? So, a web entrepreneur is someone who starts a business using the web. Web entrepreneur derives its value from the web. Web entrepreneurs take risks and have the essential qualities needed to properly navigate through an ever-changing global marketplace, just like other entrepreneurs, and have an eye for spotting trends. Actually, I got the answer from the Quora.com. I think it's a good answer for represent what is web entrepreneur. And then who can be web entrepreneur? I think everyone can be web entrepreneur. It just it just depends on in your on your it just depends on your intent. But the requirements that, yeah, I just recommend, if you want interest to be web entrepreneur, first you have to master web programming language, because if you want to create the web, you have to mastering the web program language like C language, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and many language you have to mastering. Second, has its own domain hosting server. If you have domain hosting server, you can directly realize everything that exists in your mind. So you can realize it, and quickly your ideas can be renowned if you take it first. And third, having many competent relations in the field of web development. As you know, the web the web developmental cannot be replaced by the relations of the web development. So we have to relations with the other people who are mastering in web development. And at the end, it is the recommended film about technology. The title is The Fifth Estate. The film tells about the disclosure of the secret data. It could be happen by the internal member of the WikiLeaks that worked as a supervisor of the security data. I think it's the interesting film for us to see it, because it's it provides the interest issues about the countries, about the security, and also the developmental of technology. Yeah, I think we have to see it, we have to look it sometimes together. Yeah, I think this is enough for me, Muhammad Diranaski Fadila from the class 11G, present number 20, Informatics class 2020. Thank you for your watching. Have a nice day.